Press X to jump. Yeah, well, this totally reminds me of my the Do Alps vlogs. I used to wake up at stupid o'clock and it would be pitch black. We've got a wonderful sunset, sunrise even, going on over there. It's pretty cool. Actually that looks so sick, and this camera will not do it justice whatsoever. Anyway, we're up early because I think it's every 2 weeks we have like a instructor meeting where, well, we basically get free breakfast, if I'm being honest, and then there's like notifications and you just like celebrate if people have done good or bad. Probably not bad, but mainly good. Yeah, cool. So it's like a coming together, and then like sometimes you don't see instructors all the time because you've all got like different days off, so it's cool to get everybody together. And it's New Year's Eve, which does mean that because I've woken up stupidly early that I won't be up for almost 24 hours. Oh crap, the gondola's not even running yet. Ah, shit. Maybe we'll have to walk up. Fuck. I'll have to walk up the hill, won't I? Oh, what cunt. Ah, that sucks. We got some sweet looking houses. And to be fair, this walk isn't too bad. Maybe we'll go into like third person game mode. Press X to jump. I mean, that is a sick house. I swear to God, this breakfast better be worth it. I mean, at least it's groomed, so my feet aren't constantly sinking into it. I mean, I guess it's good for me, right? Cardio or something, I don't know. It's a weird one because, like, I don't feel knackered. Like, my body is fine, the muscles are fine. It's just the breathing. It must be like thin amount of air. Like I can't breathe in enough. That's a terrible idea. That's fucking sheet ice. We're going the green path. More steps, yay! We're almost there. So to be fair, that's only a 10-minute walk. Probably less. I have loads of time.